Hello, everyone. My name is Michael Albrecht, and I'm a managing partner at Ridgewood Infrastructure, where our team invests in the middle market segment of the infrastructure sector. The key attributes that make the middle market infrastructure sector attractive include and are represented by companies and projects that are meaningfully smaller than the mega deals being executed in the marketplace. However, the middle market investments embody the same essential infrastructure characteristics as their larger brethren. For example, a water utility, regardless of size, still benefits from the regulatory compact of investing prudently in rate base, which results in stable, regulated return and uncorrelated cash flows. So there are many key attributes that underpin the middle market's attractiveness. First, less competition for investments. Given the relatively smaller size, fewer investment funds, balance sheet investors, and the like are willing to invest in these companies as they don't meet their minimum investment size criteria. And this presents a fertile environment for those who are focused on the middle market. Another key attribute is the ability to create material value through professionalization of these companies. Many of them operate well. In fact, they tend to be a key reason why they've been so successful to date. However, they typically don't have a thought partner like a seasoned investor to assist them in moving the business to the next level and increasing value further. So while the infrastructure middle market has many attractive merits, it also has key challenges. First, the investment opportunities tend not to be in an auction setting and are not easily identified. Investors within this segment of the middle market need to have the depth and breadth of relationships to originate attractive opportunities. It involves spending a great deal of time in the marketplace creating these opportunities rather than just taking what's on offer. And this allows middle market investors to shape the due diligence process, the structure of the investment, rather than it being dictated to them. Another challenge for some investors is executing controllable value creation, opposed to relying on commodity prices or financial engineering. Investors in the middle market need to have an operating skill set to create value. For example, the operational and technical expertise to review capital investment budgets or monitoring the construction of underlying assets is critical to the success of those underlying investments. So one of the key themes we're observing in the middle market is valuation dispersion, meaning we're seeing investment opportunities at valuations that are more attractive than similar, much larger sort of mega deal transactions and publicly traded comparables. In particular, we're seeing this in the utility industry, which is allowing consolidation and buy and build strategies to be very prevalent that we can all take advantage of when participating in the middle market. Another theme we're observing in the middle market is the need for growth capital. Many infrastructure companies in this market are not capitalized by their current owners to grow the business in a material way. And this is creating a fantastic and attractive opportunity for investors in the middle market to create value by capitalizing those businesses properly, stepping in as a majority equity owner, and creating value for all involved. Another theme more recently certainly has been COVID. And its primary impact within the middle market has been related to travel restrictions and limited in-person interactions. But candidly, this has been a universal impact to everyone, and the adoption of video calls and in virtual industry conferences has been a positive step. However, it certainly will be beneficial and welcome when we can revert back to a more normalized travel and in-person meeting environment.